This is review for quiz over Unit 5, and we're doing problem number 14. So let's look at A. Is there any way I can rewrite 10 so that its base is 5? Well, 5 to the first power is 5. 5 to the second power is 25, so I can't. That means I have to do something different. So what I'm going to do different is I'm going to log both sides. When I log both sides, I get log of 5 to the x power equals log of 10. Now, using my power rule, I'm going to bring this x to the front. So that gives me x log of 5 equals log of 10. And then I want to get x by itself, so I divide both sides by log 5. And I get x equals. Now I put that into my calculator, log 10 divided by log 5. I didn't do this ahead of time, so sorry. So I have to type it into my calculator. And remember, if we were taking the quiz on paper, we wouldn't do this, and we would be done right there, and you couldn't reduce that or anything. That would just be your answer. But when we do this, we get our answer is 1.4307, and there's the answer. Now, again, I will warn you that my math lab is going to tell you what place to round it to. I'm just taking it to the 4 decimal places, but you've got to pay attention on my math lab to do it to the number of places they want it taken to. All right, let's look at the next one. Again, can I rewrite 12 as a base of 3? Well, 3 to the first power is 3, 3 to the second power is 9, 3 to the third power is 27, so I can't. Since I can't, I'm going to log both sides, and when I log both sides, I'm going to go ahead and bring the exponent to the front, so I get x plus 1 log 3 equals log 12. Now, since I'm not going to distribute because I'm trying to isolate that x, so I will just go ahead and divide both sides by log 3. So I get x plus 1 equals log 12 over log 3. And now I want x by itself, so I'll subtract 1 from both sides, so I get x equals log 12 divided by log 3. And then I've got a minus 1 back there. So that's the answer if we were doing it in the classroom, but since we're not doing it into the classroom, then we're going to put it into a calculator. So give me a second to do that. And I'm going to have I get x equals 1.2619, and that's the answer for B. And let's go to C. C is almost the same type problem with one difference. Instead of logging both sides, because there's an E involved, I'm going to LN both sides. So I get 0.03T ln equals ln of 1,400. Now remember that ln of E, that base is E there, so this is just 1. So I get 0.03T equals ln of 1,400. Divide both sides by 0.03, and we get t equals, and then we're going to put that in the calculator. So we've got ln of 1,400 divided by 0.03, and we get 241.4743, and there's the answer.